Today is gardening day and I'm going to plant all these petunias and geraniums, and then I need to prune this rosemary since it is like kind of like invading the blueberry. And then what else? This one I need to remove all this like dead flowers. This is lavender, French lavender, and then I need to prune the tomatoes. And then these ones, they are like sort of leaning, so I need to provide them with a trellis. And then the cucumber I need to tie onto the trellis. So oh, like the grapes too. Look at these grapes. I need to prune the grapes too, since there are a lot of like vines that are like growing all over. The ones that are growing onto the other side of the fence, I need to prune them. And then what else? Oh, these ones, and then the ones invading the laurel plant. This one is already, oh, this one too is here on the lemon tree. I need to remove this. And oh, like the Valencia orange. And then this one is already here on the laurel plant, so I need to remove this one too. So those are the garden tasks for today. And also remove some weeds. Like those are weeds growing on the like with the rosemary. I need to oh, there is a milkweed there, see? That's a milkweed. I need to prune this rosemary too. It's huge now. And then harvest the blueberries. So those are the tasks for today. I'll probably, let's wait until that one passes by. I also need to cut some of this to dry up, like, so we have like dried bay leaves. So those are the tasks for today. This is a kale tree, like fennel flowers. Look at this, all this like grapevine. And harvest some of this kumquats too, and blueberries and strawberries. So those are the tasks for today. Let me start with the flowers. So we have petunias here. Oh, this one too. I need to put a, oh look, an apple is blooming. This one, these are cucumbers, so I need to add like wooden stakes in between. So right now they are just like posts, so I need to add wooden stakes in between those for them to crawl. Let's start with this one, with the geranium. I planted the yarrow there, but I'll probably move the yarrow, so this will be all like geraniums. So this is the one that I am going to plant here. This. You see those flowers? This is Precision Burgundy Eyes geranium, ivy geranium. Already like have this part ready, so there's already like a hole. So I just need to move this here. Look at that. Really nice. And then I'm going to remove the yarrow. I'm going to move this yarrow somewhere else. I just planted it earlier, and I decided to plant all geraniums here. So I have another geranium here. This one. This is this. Calliope, medium pink flame. So this is medium pink flame geranium. Look at the flowers. So this goes onto the other side. I need to dig more, like hole. I need to dig the hole a little deeper. So we have 2 geraniums here, and we still have this petunias. Look at this petunia. I'm going to plant this on the patio. I'm going to put a hanging basket there. So this, and then this one. So this is Daddy Peppermint. Very cute. And this one is Starfish. And then we have more here. Oh, I'm going to plant this one too. Scarlet Emperor pole beans. And then I'm going to plant this one too. Look at this, like deep red. So this is, oh, I don't like the name of that. But anyway, it's just beautiful red. And then this one is here. This is, let me clean up. This is Night Sky, Headliner Night Sky Petunia. Oh, I have a yellow one too. Look at those petunias I'm going to plant. And then we have pink here, the peppermint, Daddy Peppermint. Love that one. And then there is a yellow one here too. This one is, oh, we have more here actually. So this one is Susie Storm. And this one is, the yellow one is, oh, what's the name of this? California Yellow. So this is California Yellow. And look at these beautiful roses. Pink roses. I pruned the grapes and the rosemary, and also pulled some weeds. I'm going to use this for the petunias, but there's no hole here, and I need to put this in here. So I'm going to drill a hole. I have 3 of this. The drill didn't work, so I used a metal barbecue stick and then just heated that on the oven, and then punctured this boxes with a hot, like, metal barbecue skewer. And then I also did at the bottom like holes with the same barbecue stick. And then I just tie this onto the railings like that with a garden wire. I'm going to uproot these onions because I need the space to plant squash, different varieties of squash. So before I uproot them, I like the flowers, so I'm going to put them on the vase, like in here. So I have a vase here. Here's the vase with onions.